Struggling to make YouTube thumbnails that actually grab attention? Don't worry, you don't need to be a designer. With Canva's AI-powered tools, you can create eye-catching thumbnails in minutes that drive click and make your video stand out. Start by opening Canva on your computer or mobile device. Log into your account at first. Then you will find Canva AI option at the top. In Canva, you can view features like text-to-image magic design to generate images for your thumbnail. Instead of manually searching for images, you will write a detailed AI prompt describing exactly what you want. For example, if your video is about flipping houses, your prompt would be this: I can make this prompt for making my thumbnail. You can change it as your brand color and what you want to give as a headline on your YouTube thumbnail, so I just copy and put it on the description box and then submit it. Now Canva start making our thumbnails. Once AI generate the image, drag it to your thumbnail design. Or using Canva, you can edit it again. You can resize and crop if needed. Make sure the main focus is clear design. So from Use Canva Editor option, I can edit it. Fix and flip strategy as the main headline. We will change it according to you. You will put your own brand colors for your thumbnails. Then from here, you can preview your thumbnail. You can preview the text and visual remain clear, and if needed, make adjustment and alignment as needed. After make changes, once you are happy with your design, export it as a high-quality PNG or JP model. Your thumbnail is now ready to view. After reviewing, you can download it. You can go on Share option, then find the Download options. Click on the Download option, your PNG is ready. Then click on the Download and here is your thumbnail. That's all. By combining Canva's design tools with AI-generated images, you can create professional, high-converting thumbnails in minutes, even if you are not a designer. The key is writing details prompt using bold text and emphasizing clear and contrast to make your thumbnail stand out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.